Is your iPhone volume too low? Here's how to make it louder quickly. First, turn on Headphone Boost. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, tap Audio and Visual. Now select Headphone Accommodations at the top and turn it on. Once it's enabled, you'll see more options below. Under Audio Tuning, change it from Balanced Tone to Vocal Range. After that, move the strength slider all the way to Strong. This can make your audio sound clearer and louder. Next, check your volume limit settings. Go back to the main settings page and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and select Volume Limit. If it's set to something like 60% or 80%, that means your sound is being limited. Simply raise it to 90% or turn the volume limit off completely. And that's it. Your iPhone volume should now be much louder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.